Hey everyone, I'm going to explore one park today, and the name of the park is Park van Tervuren. It's a Dutch name, and if you live in Brussels, you should definitely visit this park in this autumn. It looks magical in the autumn. And if you want to visit this park, then you have to take tram number 44 from Montgomery station, and the ride itself feels like a movie. I never thought that Belgium is this aesthetic. Every turn gives a new view. You can enjoy the passing forests and the sunlight through the trees, and it's really peaceful, calm, and it can definitely give you a fairy tale vibes. You can see the reflection in the lake, and it just looks the best. If you love nature, then it's definitely a treat to your eyes. Have you ever seen a park looks like this in fall?